Good morning, girls. Welcome to your English class. I hope all of you must be in good of your health. But in your previous video, we talked about the present indefinite tense. So today we are going to talk about the present continuous tense. Before switching to the present continuous tense, I should remind you that we talked about the present indefinite tense or simple present tense. So what were the uses? The uses were that we use for habitual actions, the actions which are repeated on daily basis. For those actions we use the present indefinite tense, and for universal truth we use the present indefinite tense. Universal truth, I told you, like the action which happens all over the world and it's same. For example, the sun rises in the east. Clear? Okay, now coming to the present continuous tense. From the name continuous, it should come into your mind that the verb would be in the ing form. I am playing, she is eating, something like that. Clear? So but it's the present continuous tense, so let's see how we use it, and then we will talk about the uses of the present continuous tense. Okay, what is she doing? She is reading a book. What is she doing? She is reading a book. What is she doing? She is crying. What is he doing? He is watching TV. Where is he going? He is going to school. And what are you doing right now? We are studying English grammar. This can be the question from you people as well. What are you doing right now? We are studying English grammar. So from the previous example, it must be clear to you bache that we use this tense to denote an action happening at the time of speaking. Like we use the present continuous tense for such actions which are happening even at the time of your speaking. जिस टाइम आप बोल रहे हो उसी टाइम भी वो एक्शन हो रहा होता है, वो जारी होता है, it is in process. For example, if someone asks me right now, okay, what are you doing right now? So I will say that I am making a video of present continuous tense. If someone asks you that what are you doing, so what will you say? That I am watching an English video regarding present continuous tense. So the actions which are in process or which are continued even at the time of your speaking, for such actions we use the present continuous tense, and mostly we use the adverbs like now, right now, at the moment, what are doing right now, like at the moment I am studying, something like that. So these adverbs are mostly used with it. So bache, the first use must be clear to you that we use the present continuous tense for actions which are going on or which are in process at the time of speaking. So for such actions we use the present continuous tense. Clear? Okay ji. Now the question is, what are they wearing today? They are wearing t-shirts and mini skirts today. You can see from the picture they are wearing t-shirts and mini skirts today. Next question is, I would love to see you. Are you busy? So what is the answer? Unfortunately, I am rather busy. I am painting my flat this week. Like this week I am not available. I am painting my flat. Are you having fun this summer? So the answer is not really. I am working as a waiter. I need some money for college. So from these examples, see, these examples show that the present continuous tense is also used to denote a temporary action happening today or these days. So these examples show that present continuous tense is also used for such actions which are temporary, happening today or within these days, within the coming days. Like for example, a person asked that person that are you free? So he said no, this week I am painting my flat. So it's the present continuous painting. I am is the present, painting ing form is used. So I am painting my flat. So the present form is used. So that's why it's saying that so present continuous tense is also used for such actions which are going to be continued for a temporary time period. Clear? And the other example was like, are you enjoying? So he said, no, I'm not enjoying. I'm working as a waiter for my fee. So this example also showed that when he will get the money of his fee fulfilled, so he will stop working as a waiter. So these examples show that present continuous tense is also used for actions which are going to happen in the present, but for a very short time period. Clear? Okay, what's wrong? Now the next question is, what's wrong with our planet? It's getting warmer. What's wrong with the air we breathe? It's becoming more and more polluted. So from these examples, what's wrong with our planet? It's getting polluted. It is getting polluted. What's wrong with the air? So what was the answer? It is becoming more and more polluted. So it is also used to express the ongoing changes, especially with verbs such as become, get, grow, change, and that verbs would be used then in ing form. Clear? So it is also used to express the ongoing change. जो change हो रहा है या जो change occur हो रहा है और वो जारी है. So for that actions we also use the present continuous tense. Like for example, look at this. What's wrong with our planet? It's getting warmer. So ये change occur हो रहा है. It is occurring in our planet that it's getting warmer. What's wrong with the air we breathe? It's becoming more and more polluted. ये polluted हो रही है. ये process जारी है. Clear बच्चे? So we have talked about, so far we have talked about the three uses of present continuous tense. The first was, it is used for the actions which are even continued at the time of your speaking. For example, I am right now making a video of present continuous tense. You people are right now watching the video of present continuous tense. The second use of present continuous tense was that it is used for actions which are going to be continued in present for a temporary time period. Like for example, the person asked like, are you free? So he said, no, this week I am painting my flat. And the other was like, are you enjoying these days? So the person answered, no, I am working as a waiter in order to fulfill my fee money. Clear? Okay. And the third use we talk about, that present continuous tense is used for changes that are occurring or that are in the process. Clear? Like for example, or a planet is getting or becoming polluted, or planet is getting warmer. Okay ji. Okay, look at this example. Are you going to the party on Friday? We are leaving tomorrow. Okay. Now the fourth use, according to the two examples which we have just read, we use it for future arrangements with a time reference. Like we use it for future arrangements, like future में हम कोई काम करने वाले हैं, so we use the present continuous tense to talk about that with the time reference. Like see, it's written, are you going to the party on Friday? So although this action is going to happen on Friday, but we are talking about it right now, so we use it but with the reference of the future. Clear? Are you going to the party on Friday? And we are leaving but with the time reference tomorrow. Okay, so and this is the sentence arrangement बच्चे of the present continuous tense. Helping verb हमारे पास है am, is and are. Am is used with the first person pronoun, that is I. Is used with the singular subject, he, she, it. Clear? And are is used with the plural subject along with the, and सब के साथ बच्चे verb जो है सबका ing form में होगा. Clear? Now the affirmative sentences, I told you what are affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are those sentences which just provide you with information, which just states something or which gives information about something. We also call them as a positive sentences. Clear? For example, I am sleeping. Now the first person pronoun, subject is I. So the first person, the subject is the first person pronoun. That's why we have used the helping verb am with it. I am sleeping. Okay, if we use the third person pronoun singular, it would be he, she, it is sleeping. Like for example, he is sleeping. So he is the subject and it's singular. It's third person pronoun. That's why we have used is with it. Now if we take the plural subject or the second person plural subject we है and they है, so they are sleeping or we are sleeping. Plural है, that's why we have used the helping verb are with it, and you is the second person pronoun, although it might be singular or it's plural, हम इसके साथ are ही use करते हैं. Clear? Okay, now in order to change these present continuous sentences into the negative, you have to add not after the helping verb. I am not singing. Clear? He is not singing. Acha, both of them I, first person pronoun singular, he, she, it singular, third person pronoun. Okay, now look at the third example. They are not, yeah, they aren't singing. You are not singing. Clear bache? So this is how you have to use the helping verbs. Helping verbs for the present continuous tense are am, is, are. Clear? Is, am, are helping verbs the present continuous के. The way present indefinite tense were having two helping verb, do and does. Do जो है that was used with the plural. Clear? And does was used with the singular third person pronoun, he, she, it के साथ. So over here in present continuous tense we have three helping verbs that are is, am and are, and verb would be in ing form. Definitely it's continuous, so verb would be into the ing form. Acha, now how I told you कि whichever tense it is, if you want to change the sentence into interrogative, means into question, you have to take the helping verb into the very start of the question. Ab see, am is a helping verb, it's been taken to the start and the sentence is being made into a question form. Am I dreaming? Is he dreaming? Are they dreaming? Clear? And mostly such questions have answered yes I am, yes he is, no I am not, no he isn't. Clear? Okay girls, quickly we are going to quickly revise the uses of this present tense, present continuous tense. Acha, see, he is watching TV. What is he doing? He is watching TV. Where is he going? He is going to school. And what are you doing right now? We are studying English grammar. So from these examples it's clear that the present continuous tense is used for actions which are even going on or which are in process or which are continued even at the time of your speaking. जब आप उनके बारे में बोल रहे होते हो still वो जारी होते हैं. So for such actions we use the present continuous tense. Okay, now what are they wearing today? They are wearing t-shirts and mini skirts today. I would love to see you. Are you busy? Unfortunately, I am rather busy. I am painting my flat this week. Are you having fun this summer? Not really. I am working as a waiter. I need some money for college. So from these three examples, I am painting my flat this week. I am working as a waiter, and they are wearing t-shirts and mini skirts. So from these examples, it's clear that present continuous tense is also used for temporary actions. Clear? Because painting a flat is a temporary action. Within 2-3 days it would be completed. Wearing t-shirts and skirts, that is also a temporary action that would finish after a day or two, something like that. Clear? And working as a waiter, he said that I am working as a waiter because he need to earn money for the payment of his fee. Clear? Okay, now the third use is, what's wrong with our planet? It's getting warmer. What's wrong with the air we breathe? It's becoming more and more polluted. So from the previous example, it's getting warmer, it's becoming more and more polluted. It is being shown that it is the present continuous tense is used to express the ongoing changes. जो चेंजेस दुनिया में हो रही है या दुनिया में नहीं कई भी चेंजेस हो रही है, एंड व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैम, सो वी यूज़ द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस टेंस. जिस तरह इट्स गेटिंग वार्मर, जैसे टेम्परेचर अगर आप फील करें कि टुडे इट्स गेटिंग वार्मर, इट्स टुडे इट्स बिकमिंग क्लाउडी. क्लियर? सो फॉर सच चेंजेस यू कैन यूज़ द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस टेंस. Okay, are you going to the party on Friday? We are leaving tomorrow. So present continuous tense is also used for talk about the actions which are going to happen in future, but you have already planned it and you talk about it with the reference of the future. That are you going to the party on Friday? Now Friday is the future, but you are talking about that plan in present, so that's why you have used it in the present continuous tense with the time reference. Same case is we are leaving tomorrow, so the same example that they are leaving tomorrow, but they have mentioned the tomorrow, the time reference. Okay bache, I hope it's clear. Thank you. Have a blessed day.